are flying in the air make a rustling sound. Step on dry yellow leaves, the young deer softly makes a sound. Create the mysterious sound of the mountains and forest falls. Fascinated by the charming landscape, couple of birds chirping on a branch. They nicely look at the couple with colorful leaves and trees, shadows on the clear stream, a little sunshine through the leaves, giving sparkling water ripples facts. Forest flowers and leaves are witnessing the date of a young couple in the arms of a firm embrace. Lip to lip, hot scent of love, 2 blocks of pink heart in harmony with love. Wild birds don't soak with envy. With the happiness they have now, loving couple kissing in the middle of the forest, falling in love with the sound of a stream of love. Space is quiet for a moment to understand the sacredness of love, sharing happiness with 2 innocent souls, indulging in a warm kiss in the middle of the scene. The autumn colors are more beautiful than the pictures. There are no words to describe it, the poetic look in the autumn leaves, leaf blade, red, yellow, brown, green, purple, fly in the wind like a colorful bird, then landed and spread the flower carpet on the ground, forming a beautiful, magical picture that nature is giving people. My dear lovers, I hope you two will be faithful forever. Eternal love binds 2 hearts, wishing the couple a very happy happiness.